Sally would totally love those shoes. She will love.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I saw these first. Can you wrap these up for me, please?
They're for my best friend. She's turning 16 today.
Funny. They're for my best friend, too.
My best friend is a 6½.
Funny. My best friend's a 6½, too.
Tyra Banks, that's our only pair.
That's not funny. Do you know who I am?
Well, I know you know who I am.
So?
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 Give me those shoes.
Get away from me, girl.
You know what? You want it? Jump for it. Jump for the shoe, hand in my spine. Give me.
Got it.
She is so in trouble.